Okay, guys, part two, I guess. Something happened with connection. It just says interrupted. Connected, interrupted. Part two, I guess. You can turn down the volume. So my honey's gonna turn down the volume there. And I wanna be sure that we're here live. One second, guys. You gotta do a couple things, so that's it, pretty much. Recover page. I'm not sure you lost me, but this is what we have been doing so far. I want to, like I said, more flowers. Do I need more flowers? I may need more to fill in. Like I said, here. I like to put around the bows. And you guys were talking about the bow on the side. Move it to the right. So we can move it to the right like that. Okay. I'm gonna put more flowers. I think I want more flowers. You know, where's a wreath without flowers? Another white one. Different white. I want to put these little ones. I like to mix it, like I say. Little big ones. I need my white color here. Connecting so I can see your comments again. How many more should we put? I don't know. Part of the process, right, guys? Let's see if I can get you in my view. Live. So I'm live. It's saying I'm live. Oh, okay. We're back. Thank you, Katie, for your understanding. Yay, Linda, we're back. All right. So you guys are liking what you see? Give me some hearts. I'm gonna move this over so my plate may fall again. We need this plate to hold my glue gun. Like I said, I like little flowers, big flowers. I'm gonna put this one up here over the red. Around the pinks. Stand out out even more. Thank you for your hearts. Like and share my video also. Appreciate your love. Okay, let's see. You hear my cat crying? Yes, I have a cat, and he's crying. I don't know why, but this cat always cries. It's like he's talking to me. Me and him, we go back and forth, talking to each other. Okay, so let's put some this pinkish. It's more. It kind of goes with the reddish color. And I have these ones here. I like these ones. I'm gonna put it around the bowl. I like to glue both ends so it doesn't come out. I like to see flowers in the bows too. Okay, we've been like what, an hour on this already? I don't know about this color. I'm gonna put these ones instead. More pink. I have a little box of flowers. That's what I'm picking from. You see this? It's my little box of little flowers. That's what I'm looking for, pink. And I'm putting aside the ones I don't want. Yeah, this kind of goes with these colors. Want another one here. Yeah, with the pink up here. And there goes my glue gun. Okay. You're just joining me. My name is Roxana Vargas from Rosie's Unique Designs. And I'm creating a grapevine wreath. I call it this a Valentine wreath. But it can be spring wreath too. Okay? Let's try to see where else we need more flowers. Should I put more flowers, guys, or this is enough? What do you think? You like it? Katie, you had it live in 4 parts. I'm trying to catch up with your comments, guys. Sorry. Yvette, thank you for finding me again. Leslie, thank you. Katie sent you. Appreciate Katie for sending me your viewers also. Yvette, you're Vargas as well. You made me. Okay. I'm Vargas because my husband. I'm Torres because my daddy. So my name is Roxana Torres Vargas. But yeah, there are not many Vargas, I don't think. Yes, thank you for sharing. And if you want to type alert under the comments right now, that will give you an alert for next time I go live. That kind of subscribe you. Okay? So what you guys think? Should I stop now or keep going? I can keep adding. Should I keep adding more flowers, more greeneries? me see if I see little. I'm eyeballing this one because it's kind of droopy. I thought about maybe adding droopy stuff. You know what I mean? And it looked like little balls, like Eastery kind of, but it looks so fragile. I'm afraid it will break. But maybe for the next wreath, for Eastery kind of wreath. This piece here. Oh, here's the other one I was looking for. I want to add another element of pink. These are all those colors. These are so cute. I found them on I think it was Michael's. Some grapevines. I like it the way it is. So thank you, Katie. Very pretty. Thanks, Amy. Oh, thank you, Miss Linda. Yvette, thank you, Yvette. Okay, guys, so this is it. I'm pretty much done with this wreath. If I tweak or do anything later on, that will not be much. But mainly, this is it. What do you guys think? Again, just put live on the comments, and I will notify you next time I go live. And if you receive your notification this afternoon, please let me know who received it. Just for me to know if I got my setup right on ManyChat. ManyChat? So, Linda, did you receive my message this afternoon? Please let me know. And you guys missed the first part. It's in my profile, or it's in my main page. I lost connection, so actually this is the second part. All right, guys. Well, thank you for spending some time with me this afternoon. Again, this is Rosie from Rosie's Unique Designs. My nickname is Rosie. That's why I put my shop with that name. If you like this wreath, please go to the shop button on my page, and you can purchase it on my Etsy, or message me and we can talk about it. All right, but this is my first Valentine wreath. Thank you. Have a nice evening. See you next time. Bye.